Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
How to make a window always on the top. For that we need to download a simple application. You can go this website which is in my description box. You can check it out and you can click here to download this 1.32 version. It is very small application. It is called Deskpin. It will allow you to keep a window always on top. I have already downloaded this one here. Let's start installing it. Double click on that. Next and close. Now go to your start menu and click on the Deskpins. So it will come here in the down like this. So if I want to make this on the top all the time, just click on this and you can see there is a pin. You just click here. It will pin here. Whatever we are going to open, it will be always on the top. Suppose I will open the Explorer Windows. You can see it is in the behind. It's not coming up. This window is always on the top. If you don't want, you just click on that. It will close. That's it. Or you can use the shortcut key Control F11, Control F12. Okay. Also you can change the pin color. I want to change to something else, blue. Okay. Now you can see it is a blue color. In this way you can try in a PC. If you want any of your windows always on the top, you can use this application. It's totally free, open source. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.